Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to Studio Nail Art Madness. Today I'm going to do a polish swatch from Trust Fund Beauty. They make polishes that are vegan and cruelty-free, also known as tin-free, and then on the box it lists all of the chemicals and ingredients that they are free from. I purchased this on eBay from a seller named Pooh Bear. It was $1.99 for the polish and then $2.65 shipping. I purchased it on the 13th and it arrived on the 19th of January. So just a few days. You do get expedited shipping, of course. The seller does have different colors you can choose from. This one is called I Give Good Tweet, and it is a blue shimmer polish. And we are going to swatch this out. If you're interested in this polish, I will leave a link in the description box where you can get this polish at. And you can pick between different colors that the seller provides. These can get rather expensive though. I had to do a little bit of digging to find one that was inexpensive to test out. So it arrived on the 19th and we're going to swatch it today. So let me open it here. There we go. Let me, don't want to leak. Let me move the light here. Maybe you can see. It's a blue, very light blue, like a baby blue. And then it has a little bit of shimmer to it. So, So hopefully you can see that. And I'm going to swatch it on my nails. I do have a little bit of staining on my nails from the grage that I used. But that's okay. So here we go. Very pretty. The color shows up really well just so far with the first coat. I'm going to thin it out just a little bit so it won't be clumpy. But you do get a good pigmented color with it. But you will need about 2 coats, maybe more. I'm not really sure, but you're definitely going to need 2 coats. So this is the first coat here. So this is with the first coat. It is a little sheer, but it is a gorgeous color. It does give you a little shimmer to it. I do like it. It's a very, very pretty color. So I'm going to let this dry and then come back and do a second coat. This is just such a beautiful color. I really, really do like this. This is the second layer. Let it dry and then come back and see what the finished swatch looks like. Alright, so here is the finished swatch. The polish dries very quickly. I absolutely love this polish, and I'm going to move the camera, so I'm sorry if it's a little shaky. This polish is fantastic. It's a beautiful, beautiful, gorgeous color. It's like a baby blue with just a hint of a shimmer to it. I adore this. Where I found it was reasonably priced. Again, it can get a little expensive. However, the seller that I purchased this from did have it on a really good deal. Highly recommend it. Vegan and cruelty-free. So if you want to check that out, go ahead and click the link in the description box. And here are some pictures for you to view. And I'll see you guys later. Bye.